Clifton Suspension Bridge. It costs you £1 to cross the bridge. I'm going to go to the middle lane, and then we can capture some amazing views of this immaculate bridge. It's a beautiful bridge, right? Let me just shift the camera a little bit for you so you can capture the moment of this beautiful bridge. Just do me a little favor at this moment, just subscribe and also hit the notification button. Right, let's cross the bridge like we always cross the bridge, very slowly, no rush. You are very important. I want you to capture the moment, so we're driving slowly, then we're going to cross the bridge, and then we can do some bits of driving around Clifton, and then yeah, then we can go live. Alright, so let's keep the energy going. Let me show you a bit more of this beautiful graffiti. At the moment I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames per second, and it's super view, so you see everything very wide. So super view is pretty amazing if you're shooting in an environment where you want to capture every single angle. I'm not using 5K today because I want you to get almost every angle of this beautiful place. You know, the graffiti here is just pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing. You know, I love Bristol. I always said I got my first 1,000 subscribers from Bristol, so you know why I love Bristol. And you, as my subscriber, you help me growing my channel, and also we also growing together as a virtual family. My dream is to hit 1 million. People think I'm crazy, but you know, you have to create content, a different kind of content for people to enjoy, and then gradually you grow, and we hit 2,000, 3,000. I don't know if you can see this amazing artwork. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Let's get closer. Let's get closer. Today is Thursday. It meant to be very hot, you know, but I don't think it's really hot. So I'm in Gloucester Road at the moment, just behind Gloucester Road. I just thought I'd explore this place a little bit because a lot of people don't know much about Bristol, and I'm from Bristol, so you know, I'm a Bristol creator, so I want to show you a lot more of this beautiful. If you look at the bins, you know, the bins have graffiti. You know, that's what we know. We're known for. You know, like I always do, I ask you politely, you know the tradition. Please do subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please do like the video, share the video, comment where you're watching from, if you're enjoying the content, what you love to see next in the video, and finally turn your notification button on so that anytime I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube. I have an ND filter so that anytime the weather change, I could create content and fit your screen. All right, so this is where I am. Look how beautiful this street is. You know, it's just located just behind the attic, behind the bar. I mean, the bar at the beginning of the video is just behind there. Yeah, so it's just if you don't know the area, just ask someone. You're going to the Telefonica call center, and they will show you. It's just behind. It's a beautiful place, right? Beautiful. Right, let me pan the camera so that we can continue, and I'm going to show you some beautiful graffiti. I'm in Bristol today. We're going to create a bit of content and show you a bit more of this beautiful graffiti city. Beautiful place, amazing. I wish I could be getting a lot of selfie, but you know, maybe I need to stop and get someone to take me a nice selfie on this street. Beautiful place. Look at where I am, you know. This is art. This is what you call art, you know. Beautiful. Let me just stand here and explore this beautiful artwork. Beautiful. In front of me is iconic. I don't know what is iconic, but it's just beautiful graffiti. Let me show you. Let me get closer before I can pan the camera. So just stay on. There's a few more seconds because I want you to get, I mean, like a 360-degree view of this. I mean, 90-degree view. I want you to get a perfect view of this beautiful graffiti. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Don't worry, we'll get closer shortly. Yeah. While I'm here, let me pan the camera for you to see where we are. I've drove through here. I believe it was a different kind of painting, so I need to stand here a bit, you know, enjoy this beautiful painting. If you do like painting, please do let me know in the comment section, and also where you're watching from, so that you know I can connect with you virtually, so that next time when I'm creating content I can give you a shout out, you know, in the comment section. Beautiful. Look, that's art right there. And then on my side, look at this beautiful artwork. Beautiful artwork. Look at that. What are you doing? Having a nice day?
Not too sure.
Right, so the battery gave up on me, so I just have to get a battery replacement and then continue doing this video. Just to make you aware, or just to let you know what I'm shooting with. I'm shooting using GoPro, and I'm shooting in 4K, 5K 30 frames per second. I'm shooting in 5K 30 frames per second. So I've used the camera today to get some b-rolls, but there's a lot of editing to do. Right, do you see the hard work I have to go through to create content? Please do me a favor, do me a big favor, do like this video and do subscribe if you're watching and enjoying this amazing tour of Clifton. Please do me a big favor. Hiya, I'm just doing a YouTube video. Do you guys want to subscribe to my channel?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. What's your name?
Willa.
And you?
Lauren.
Just tell my viewers something unique about Clifton Redlands White Ladies Road.
White Ladies Road is bustling with people.
Yeah.
Brilliant food.
Yeah.
Great food.
Any recommended restaurant or bar?
Yeah. Clifton sausage.
Clifton Sausage. Oh yeah, I've been there.
Have you? I've
Oh,
never been.
I had the pork sausage. Yeah. They
I
do
love-
lamb sausage, everything, right?
Yeah. What do I love? I love the Boston tea. No, I don't even. Sorry, Boston tea.
Any plans for this weekend? This week?
I'm going back to London.
Oh, I'm going to London on Friday as well.
Oh, so are we.
Yeah, so if you do subscribe, you'll probably see more videos on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, we'll subscribe.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah, the name of the channel is Ghana Fan Tube.
Ghana for you.
Yeah, yeah, just type in Bristol Ghana Fan Tube, you see my videos.
See ya.
Thank you
Bye.
very much.
Bye.
All right. I'm creating a video for a YouTube channel called Ghana Fan Tube. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you. What a beautiful shop you have here.
Absolutely beautiful.
Oh
shop,
my God,
that's
look,
right.
I've just seen an amazing shoe there. It's pretty good.
Very
Can you
good,
tell my
yes.
viewers what they should expect when they come here?
The shop is you expect so much.
Yeah?
It's all the way downstairs.
Yeah?
It's the this shop has been here for about just over 3 years now.
3 years? Okay.
Yes, it's brilliant. It's everybody's best shop. Best
Oh,
shop in Bristol.
really?
Everybody loves this
I can
shop.
imagine. On the Gloucester Road.
The price on Gloucester Road it's actually between Stoke Scrope and Gloucester Road.
Yeah?
This is Cheltenham in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, it used to be quite boring when first we moved in here.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely busy now.
It's very busy. I
Absolutely
can
busy.
imagine
We
all
just
the
opened
colors,
there.
all the shop, all the
Yes,
clothes.
Yes. we
It's
just
very
opened
vibrant,
today.
yeah.
It's everyday shop.
Yeah.
7 days.
Yeah.
10 to 6.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So if somebody is here for a day and they don't have any
This is the
clothes,
place.
this is the place. Look,
Yeah,
this is the
Bristol.
place.
This is Bristol.
This is Bristol. This is fabulous vintage. Look,
Absolutely.
they have everything. Look at that. So thank you very much. Thank you.
so
Thank you
much.
for talking to me
Thank you.
today.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you very much. And also today the weather is very amazing, so the GoPro unfortunately decided not to shoot the video. It started getting hot, so you can see my videos. There's multiple videos, different intervals. So what you have to do is click on the link. There's the chapters on the description. All you have to do is click on the one you want to watch, so that you can enjoy the video and then stay on the channel and enjoy the whole content. The reason why I put the chapters is because you might not have enough time. So if you click on the chapter, you can watch probably different parts of the city center. You might click on the chapter to watch Bristol Road. So please do click on the chapters. It's very, very important because it helps you as a subscriber to navigate between the video. So like I said, this is going to be an extended version of videos. It's going to be very long, so you have to click on the chapter to enjoy this footage. Thank you very much. All right, so guys, just in I think Blue Lagoon. So I just stop here for a bit. You know, I always try to relax when I'm vlogging. So at the moment I'm just here to grab a drink, probably talk to you guys for a bit, and then we can continue vlogging. It's quite a beautiful place. It's located on the Gloucester Road. So if you're on Gloucester Road for a day or weekend and you need somewhere to start your party, Blue Lagoon is just the best place. Look at the bar behind me. They are very nice people. Yeah, the service is pretty amazing. We hosted a party here before. Yeah, so let's continue. Let me stay, let me just chill and enjoy my drink. Okay, so guys, just got my drink in the Blue Lagoon. The restaurant or the pub or the bar is located in Gloucester Road. So if you're here for a weekend or you're here for a holiday, you're here on holiday, you need somewhere to relax during the day, during the night, this place is pretty amazing. It's pretty good. I will show you the video of inside so that you see how this place look like. So I'm just having my nice drink while relaxing, getting my battery charged before continue the other part of Gloucester Road. So let's enjoy.
Hey guys.